Hi everyone and welcome to the first episode of my indie game devlog. So today I would like to introduce you to my new project, which I call Dungeon Curse in the Dark according to my plan, or it's just a prototype name yet. In this devlog series I want to share with you the progress I made and the stuff I am currently working on. But maybe first of all some words about me. My name is Gernot and I'm a solo developer from Germany. My program of study does not have to do anything with game design or some kind of gaming development or even some informatics stuff. I'm a passionate gamer who has always been inspired by the development and design of games in the early years. So I tried and still try to learn the stuff I need for making games by myself, such as scripting, modeling, or even texturing. That is the reason why I decided to be a solo developer. I think I want to say after my work that I did everything on my own and that the game is 100% my work. And by being a solo developer, you'll learn a lot about the different fields in game making. Actually, I completed some kind of a FAR course for a year where I learned a lot about Unity, but still, my work won't be perfect and there probably will be mistakes in it, so please don't judge me too hard. Only in these few years I learned a lot. This devlog should be a diary of my development of a solo game developer where I write about my opinions and thoughts. In the background you can see the progress I've done until now. Dungeon Curse in the Dark is a low poly game where you are an adventurer in a dungeon which is overfilled by creatures and monsters. So it is kind of a dungeon crawler. You have to fight your way through the monsters to the darkest and deepest levels in order to stand against the end boss. In the dungeon also are lots of traps and puzzles you have to solve to get further. This is the idea I have right now. Also I think about an exciting cool story which I have in mind, but I don't want to talk too much about it yet. Previously I made some games with the GameMaker Studio 2 engine. In the background you can see some cutouts of the games which I developed. Today I'm working with Unity and for modeling I'm using Blender. I'm going to show you which steps I took to get so far. The first step I took was to write a game design document where I planned the things I want to do and what and how I need to realize these. I learned and noticed afterwards in my further games that it is really important to make a plan and to stick to this plan. I did not even have a plan. I just started and rushed into game developing without any game design document. That's the reason why these projects did not come to an end. Every day I had new cool ideas, so the games got bigger and bigger. Coming to the point, a game design document is important, definitely, if you have not a lot of experience. So write up a plan and try to stick to this. Of course in the development you will get more and nice ideas which will be fit amazing in this game, but sometimes less is more. So write up a game design document and stick to this. After I had finished my document, it was time to create a new project in Unity. I started with a test scene where I tested some gameplay stuff and some modeled objects. First I coded my prototype player movement. The game should be in the first person mode, so I tested this with a cylinder which got a rigid body component and a camera as a child object. The script just let the object moving and looking around with the mouse. Jumping, crouching or other stuff aren't implemented yet. The script is still simple. That is of course a fast explanation. I think a devlog should not be a tutorial, so maybe I make another series kind of tutorials where I explain in detail what I do. You are able to see the result and I think it looks good. So I thought it was good, so I opened up Blender to do some modeling stuff. I created some walls, grounds and pillars. Exporting these to Unity was a little bit tricky as I thought. I have some odd scale and rotations on the objects in Unity, and it took me some time to get the best setting to export to Unity, but I found some help on the internet. I enjoyed modeling so much that I just created some more types of grounds and walls and also environmental things like barrels, storage boxes or torches before I tested these amounts of objects in the test scene. After my long modeling session I built up a scene with all these objects and I was very happy how the scene looks like. In order to get a dungeon feeling I deleted the standard directional light in the scene and gave the torch prefab a point light and a particle system, and this works also very well. And now it was time to replace the cylinder player with a real player object. So back in Blender I modeled two hands, one holding a bow while the other is holding a dagger, with which I'm not happy yet, but I skipped the dagger for now. I wanna try out how the animation looks like. So I made animations for stretching and shooting the bow. I gripped the bow or the dagger or switching between these. I imported these to Unity and expanded the player script. I ordered to play up the animations clips by choosing another weapon or by attacking with the left mouse click. I also implemented shooting a prototype arrow. The arrow gets a force on its rigid body component, how long the mouse is holding down. So that's the work I've done so far, and I think I have a nice little prototype where you can see where the journey goes. But of course there's still much work to do. Moreover, that was it also with my first devlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and we're gonna see us in the next video. Write a comment below how you like it or what ideas you have. I'm very happy to have the chance to share my experience and my developing with you. So, see ya in the next video.